Hey you guys, today I'll be showing you homemade puff pastry with blueberry filling. I never realized how easy puff pastries were to make, but this recipe surely proved me wrong. A perfect crispy treat for breakfast or dessert. These puff pastry blueberry turnovers are light, flaky, filled with blueberry filling, then sprinkled with some sugar. You could use the same recipe for any of your favorite fruits. So let's get started. First step is to make puff pastry dough. Sift 2 cups of flour and 1/4 teaspoon salt in a large bowl. Now I'm going to place this in a refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes. And now I'm going to grate 250 grams of frozen butter into the flour while occasionally mixing into the flour to prevent it from sticking. Now pour 2/3 cup of cold water. Mix until you have a firm rough dough. Sprinkle all-purpose flour on board. Now place the dough. Roll it nicely and form a smooth rectangle. Now fold on both the sides. Continue the process of folding as directed. Now place it in a Ziploc bag, close it and keep it in refrigerator for about 30 to 45 minutes. And now I am making Creme Anglaise sauce, sweet, creamy and luscious white sauce that can make your desserts extraordinary. And now pour 1 cup whole milk and 1 cup heavy cream in a medium saucepan. Add 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Heat up the cream and milk mixture on medium-low heat until small bubbles begin to appear around the edges. And now remove from the heat. In a medium mixing bowl, whisk 5 egg yolks and 1/4 cup granulated sugar together. Mix until pale in color. Pour a small amount of cream and milk mixture. After tempering the egg mixture, pour all of it into the milk mixture. Whisk this nicely. Keep whisking continuously. Return to saucepan back to the heat and cook on low heat until the sauce thickens slightly for about 2 minutes. If needed, pour the vanilla sauce through a fine sieve to get rid of any cooked eggs, then let it cool to room temperature. And now roll out again the length into rectangular shape. Fold it as directed. Place it in a Ziploc bag. Refrigerate it for about 30 minutes. And now I am making blueberry filling. In a small saucepan, add 1 cup blueberries, 1/4 cup granulated sugar. Bring it to boil over medium-high heat, stirring constantly. Continue cooking for 1 to 2 minutes until the blueberry sauce thickens. Add orange juice. Remove from the heat and let cool. Now preheat oven to 250 degrees Celsius. Take out the dough from refrigerator. Sprinkle some flour on top and roll it as directed. Now make any shape of your choice. I am making square. Take out the remaining dough and keep aside. And now place 1 teaspoon blueberry filling in center. Fold it as directed. In a small bowl, whisk egg and water and lightly brush the edges of each square with egg wash. and fold in half to create a triangle. Use a fork to press and seal the edges of each turnover together. Place the turnovers on the prepared baking sheet. Brush the top of each turnover with more egg wash. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes until the turnovers are puffed and golden brown. Remove from the oven and set aside to cool. And now drizzle the white sauce on top of the puff pastries and serve. Blueberry turnovers will stay fresh for up to 3 days, stored in an airtight container at room temperature. You can use any type of filling in place of blueberries. If you make this recipe, I would love to see pics of your creation on my Instagram page, shimis.kitchen. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you in our next video with more such recipes. Take care and have a nice day.